Welcome again. How are you doing? Hope you're doing great these days. Okay, let's start our lecture for today. As we've used to do, we're gonna watch a video, then we'll have some questions about this video. Answering these questions, we'll be able to discover a new tense in English. Let's start. زي ما تعودنا يا شباب قبل كده ان احنا بنشاهد فيديو معين، بنجاوب بعض الأسئلة على الفيديو ده، ومن خلال إجاباتنا دي احنا هنكتشف بعض الفورمز، بعض التركيبات الزمنية عشان اللي بنستخدمها في اللغة الإنجليزية عشان نقدر نستخدمها في الحياة العادية. احنا كان القاعدة الأساسية بتاعتنا ان احنا هنتعلم ازاي نستخدم الأزمنة المختلفة في حياتنا اليومية، نطبق الموضوع بشكل عملي. اوكي، let's start. هنبتدي دلوقتي نشوف الفيديو وبعدين نرجع لبعض مرة تانية.
I told my students to read a book, but they're not all doing that activity. Let's look at what they are doing. Lisbeth, what are you doing?
I'm drawing a picture.
You should be reading your book. Dario, what are you doing?
I'm listening to my CD player.
Better, what are you doing?
I'm writing on the desk.
Cindy, what are you doing?
I'm drinking some juice.
Richie, what are you doing?
I'm talking on the phone. Call you back.
Jacobo, what are you doing?
I'm eating a piece of bread.
It's past lunch. Rocio, what are you doing?
I'm cleaning my desk.
Oh, thank you. When you finish, start reading. Blanca, what are you doing?
I'm putting on some lipstick.
You should be reading. Put away the lipstick. Now, what are you guys doing?
We're reading our books.
Very good.
Now what we're going to do is to answer some questions about this video. Those who need to watch the video again, feel free to watch it as many times as you want. دلوقتي احنا هنجاوب بعض الأسئلة المتعلقة بالفيديو اللي شفناه، وما فيش أي مشكلة إن احنا نرجع للفيديو مرة واثنين وثلاثة بحيث إن احنا نقدر نجاوب على الأسئلة المطلوبة مننا. Okay, here are the questions. Where do the actions take place? We'll talk about place. Number 2, who are the participants? The persons we've met in the video. Who are they? Number 3, what did the man ask them to do? We saw a man in the video, an adult. Okay, and this man asked the other persons to do something. What is it? Number 4, are they doing what he told them to do? Are they doing what he told them to do? Okay, I need your answers to these questions in the comments below. We saw in the video that the teenagers aren't doing what the adult man asked them to do. Oh really? They aren't doing that? Yes, they aren't doing what he told them to do. So what are they doing? Let's discover. Okay, let's start with the first lady we saw in the video, and her name is Elizabeth. What is Elizabeth doing? Elizabeth is drawing a picture. Elizabeth is drawing a picture. So what about Dario, Cindy, Richie? What are they doing? Okay, have time to finish your sentences. Okay, we saw what each of the students is doing at the very beginning of the session. Now, after the teacher has given them some instructions, what are they doing? All of them are doing the same action. What is it? Okay, finally, what are they doing? Finally, what are they doing? They are. To discover more about the new tense, I need you to write down all your answers. Write them again. Collect all your answers in one sheet. To know more about this new tense. هنجمع إجاباتنا دلوقتي كلها ورا بعض عشان نحاول نكتشف التنس الجديد ده بيتكون من ايه ونكتشف احنا بنستخدمه امتى بالظبط. So, Elizabeth says, Dario is, Sandy is, and so on. Finish your sentences. So, how can we form this new tense? And when can we use it? Do you remember what do we call this tense? Okay, I need you to revise your information to find the answers. Okay, to discover more about this tense, we'll watch another video. We'll learn when to use such tense in real life. Okay, here are the questions. Where do the actions take place? We'll talk about place. Number 2, who are the participants? The persons we've met in the video. Who are they? Number 3, what did the man ask them to do? We saw a man in the video, an adult, okay? And this man asked the other persons to do something. What is it? Number 4, are they doing what he told them to do? Are they doing what he told them to do? Okay, I need your answers to these questions in the comments below. To discover more about the new tense, I need you to write down all your answers. Write them again. Collect all your answers in one sheet. To know more about this new tense. هنجمع إجاباتنا دلوقتي كلها ورا بعض عشان نحاول نكتشف التنس الجديد ده بيتكون. Okay, this is dialogue 1 or dialogue A between the two ladies. The lady who was washing the dishes in the bathtub. Okay, take your time to finish the dialogue. This is dialogue B between the two gentlemen. Okay, to discover more about this tense, I need you to do the following assignment. What is it? To extract the sentences in present simple tense from the videos. Then, in a table, write down the sentences in present simple tense and those reviews to finish today's exercises. Why to do that? To differentiate between the use of the two tenses. اللي هنعمله دلوقتي إن من خلال الفيديوز اللي شفناها هنستخرج الجمل اللي في زمن المضارع البسيط اللي احنا اتعلمناه قبل كده، وممكن اللي محتاج يرجع للفيديوز السابقة عشان يراجع معلوماته. وهنجمع الجمل دي قدام الجمل التانية اللي استخدمناها عشان نجاوب الاكسرسايزز بتاعت النهاردة، ونحاول نشوف الفرق في التركيب ما بين الجمل دي والجمل التانية ركبناها ازاي. ومن خلال الأحداث اللي شفناها في الفيديوز هنحاول برضو نكتشف الجمل الجديدة دي احنا استخدمناها امتى بالظبط في اي مواقف، وفي المقابل احنا استخدمنا زمن المضارع البسيط في انهي مواقف. محتاجة اشوف اجاباتكم في الكومنتس تحت. بالنسبة للهوم ورك احنا هنعمل الهوم ورك في شيت، ونخلي الشيت معانا ان شاء الله هنجمعه منكم لما نتقابل. بالتوفيق ان شاء الله.